there babies, how are you doing? It's me Amber and welcome back to my micro needling video, guys. I am going to show today very advanced technique for jawline, tightening, firming, really preventing these wrinkles. So what I'm going to do today, guys, I'm going to use Dermaroller and I'm going to use Aqua Stamp, both 1 millimeter, which is really a deep needle, which is going to be painful. And you know what? I am going to do that without any numbing cream. I'm crazy, right? I am going to wash my skin right now before doing anything. I am using Amber Beauty Natural AHA BHA cleanser, which is basically getting rid of pores that you have, open pores, tightening your skin and just making your skin clean and glowy, and it's natural. So this is baby that I'm going to go wash my skin and I'll be back just in a second. Okay guys, so I just washed my face. You can tell it's very matte now. I just turned 34 and I just recently noticed that I've been having this and I hate this. You might gonna say you don't see anything, but trust me, that's affecting me. I'm feeling a little bit insecure because of that. And here I look 34, here I look 44, and I don't know what the heck is this like. So I'm gonna a little bit torture today my jawline. I have my micro needling eye patches, and while I'm gonna be doing everything over here, I'm gonna be applying. I'm gonna have, what is this pimple? Oh no. Okay, I just got rid of it. Don't mind. So I'm gonna be using my micro needle eye patches. This is with peptides and hyaluronic. Okay, so patches look like this. I am going to have micro needle eye masks while I'm gonna be dermarolling my jawline, and I'm gonna apply. You know, is the biggest issue right now. I have a dark circle, so I don't have any fillers. So I'm gonna really apply on that spot where it's dark circles. So in my case, it's gonna be right here, and I'm gently just pushing. And that should help with the puffiness, with the dark circles. Maybe one time is completely not gonna help you get rid, but it definitely can help you if you're gonna keep doing this for some time. You know, guys, if you're like, oh, one time doesn't help, like nothing helps in one time. If you go to the gym one time, you think you're gonna be fit and lean and skinny and in perfect shape. No, it's the same thing with the skincare. You gotta be patient, you have to be consistent if you want this to work. So my next step, I am going to actually disinfect. And where is my cotton pad? I forgot. I gotta go. Okay, I got cotton brown, I got rubbing alcohol. I'm gonna be applying only on that spot. So I am just literally doing on my jowls over here. A little bit below over here. So I'm taking Amber Beauty Dermaroller. This is 1 millimeter. You can see over here in the back. 1 millimeter. So taking out Dermaroller, which is in sealed EO gas, it's already disinfected. So if you're going to receive the roller like this, it's already disinfected. You do not have to soak in, and you don't have to disinfect Dermaroller. Wait, nobody saw this. We pretend we didn't see this. Okay, this have to happen on the camera only. I got a broken case. You know what? Dermaroller inside is not damaged. Everything is fine. Look, it's completely sealed. And nothing. If the case is broken, that doesn't affect me. I didn't plan to have this on the camera, but this is a real life, you know, struggle that can happen to anyone. This is, guys, very advanced. 10 times. I'm gonna roll over one place 10 times in all the possible directions. Okay, inhale, exhale, let's go. I'm starting from the mid-chin and going towards the ear, trying not to go more up than your cheekbone. You always, guys, feel where is your cheekbone. Don't go over the cheekbone, go below. Where your cheekbone finishes, over here, don't go over. So, 1, 2, and you know, apply some pressure. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and I do everything the same below over here. You guys see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now you're gonna see why you're dermarolling your chin, like everything. If you're gonna dermaroll only that spot, it's gonna be tight only here. You gotta start tightening from here, here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now I have a mole over here. That's fine. I've been doing this for many, many years. Nothing happened. But if you have a mole and it's getting red or is kind of inflamed or is something suspicious, maybe better than dermaroll. I know myself, I can do it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So wherever I just did, guys, I'm gonna do 3 more times, and I'm speeding up this video right now. Now what I'm going to do, I'm just really going strongly over my jawline 10 times. Ooh. Mm. Mm. I'm gonna do next cheek. The same exact thing what I did on this cheek, just speeding over that video. Okay guys, so dermarolling is done. A little bit like I have a red beard right now. Okay, you see what I'm laughing, what's happening? This is not okay. So now I am going to fill a little bit more intense with the aqua stamp 1 millimeter. These lines, like I'm going to go and target these lines when I laugh over here. You see, like for example, this line here 1 and 2, and here 1, like I don't know, where is the second one? I don't know. So in aqua stamp I'm filling in vitamin C serum, which is natural, organic, and the best to use after microneedling because it doesn't have any bad perfumes, parabens, or drying alcohols, which most of the serums have. And I'm gonna start doing on my finger because sometimes it takes some time for the serum to come out from the stamp. So aqua stamp works only when you hold like this. So basically if you're a esthetician, you will have your client laying down like this. For at home it's a little bit more complicated because you have to tilt your head like this. So I am laughing, I see where is the line, and now I'm like stamping. This is 1 millimeter, this is the deepest size that I have. I'm stamping over in these spots until I really can handle. So like 10-15 times in the same line. And this makes your lines less visible. It prevents lines. So I am hurting a little bit, but it's okay. Beauty, we need to hurt. And now this line over here bothers me as well. By the lips, it's really, really sensitive and I wanna sneeze. Some women say if you gave a birth, this is nothing compared to giving a birth. Well, I never gave a birth. I don't know. I don't even want to imagine. So I think I tortured that spot, and I'm gonna torture right now this side. This side, this one I need 20 times. Look at this. What is this? And now what I'm doing, just going over with the serum in the rest of the place where I did needling, dermarolling, and just finishing up the serum. Sometimes it's not coming out, so make sure you tilt your head, like really. Oh my god, my skin is getting red. Beauty requires some pain. I need to be tight and no wrinkles in my face. What is this? What I'm singing? Okay, I can't anymore. I can't anymore because it's hurting like crazy, guys. What I'm doing after, I'm actually taking my Soothing Smoothing Skin Superfood Sheet Mask. No bad ingredients, no toxic, no perfumes, no fragrance. It's brightening your skin. For me, for example, it's very, very important to have a bright and even skin tone, beautiful, tight skin. So everything is natural, cotton mask. Oh my god, this is amazing. I love this mask so much. This is the best mask to have it after microneedling. You can wear this mask not doing microneedling, it's fine. You can do this every day. And the best part of this mask is really, really high quality, beautiful ingredients in the serum. Doesn't have fragrance. The most Korean masks, like 99% on the market, they have fragrance. And fragrance for you, it's so bad. You guys, if you don't know, I did a video about fragrance. I can list down below. It's really, really not healthy for our health. So I'll keep like this for 20 minutes. I'm gonna go lay down and I'm gonna come back to you guys in 20 minutes to finish up this video. But so far, I know that I'm gonna need to do this like 6 times, once a month. This size is to be used once a month. I am very advanced. I've been doing microneedling for 10 years, so I'm gonna do every 3 weeks. I'm gonna do updated video. This is just video number 1. I'm gonna do updated video like in 3-4 months. Let's see if something will be changed. I never completely like dedicated a video or skincare routine for certain part of my face. Now I'm doing, and I'm really concerned about that part because I'm a little bit insecure about that spot. You know, we all have our things that we are insecure. Some of you gonna tell me I'm beautiful, I don't have to do this. I know, guys, I'm pretty confident, but that spot in my life is just a little bit more tightness, and I will be really, really happy. So I'll come back to you guys in 20 minutes. All right, it's been probably more than half an hour. Oh, I have some blood. You can see on the mask, and that's fine, guys. A little bit of blood when you apply a lot of pressure in the advanced technique is really okay, but so far right now I don't see any blood. And I'm taking off also the microneedling eye masks. Ooh. Oh, look at this. Looks like brighter now. Or is it just me? Is this me? Or I see the difference. I don't know. Maybe it's just me. Okay, taking this off. Is this me, guys? I mean, a little bit is red because of the mask. So, red, which is fine. So what I'm gonna do, guys, I'm gonna be applying booster, vitamin C booster from Amber Beauty's antioxidant, brightening, anti-aging, tightening. Oh, you know what I'm gonna do? I'm actually still have a little bit here an aqua stamp left. I can take this off the head, and I'm just gonna use, this is very watery, so be careful. I'm just gonna use everywhere on the rest of my face, not only on these cheeks. Oh, it's a little bit sensitive. Make sure your hands are clean. I just wash my hands really well So I'm applying everywhere, super gentle, super gentle. It's a little bit uncomfortable. So the care after is very simple. For 48 hours, you can go out in the sun. If you go in the sun, you have to wear a lot of SPF, big hat, big sunglasses, and some face cover. Well, these days we wear masks and stuff like this, so it's very easy. But try to not go like in the direct sun for 48 hours. And I will recommend never going directly in the sun without any protection of your face. Of your face? Why did I say of your face? Everywhere. Anyway, you guys understand what I mean. So I'm finishing the serum. Also, I wouldn't recommend to go in sauna. I wouldn't recommend workout in the next. With this size, I mean, try to wait at least 28 hours. I will, 24, why I say 28? I will recommend 48 hours. Because the needle is really deep and we damage actually epidermis, you know. And that's gonna take a little bit of healing. Like that's gonna be healing for the first week. It might be a little bit painful, might be a little bit sensitive. That's fine. Completely gonna be healed like in 3-4 weeks. And no sauna, no gym, no going out, not using any drying alcohols, any like acids like alpha hydroxy, beta hydroxy, salicylic, glycolic, anything like exfoliating. No any scrubbing or exfoliating either like this for another 2 days at least. I will stay away from anything for a week. You might going to experience a little bit of peeling, a little bit like rougher skin because the skin is rejuvenates. That's okay, that's fine. If it's red for another 2 days, that's fine. Okay, you can wear makeup after 24 hours. It's fine. What else did I miss? If I miss, guys, something I'm gonna put down below in the description box. Go there, open that triangle. If you're on the phone, you're gonna be navigated in the description box. So thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't. I have a lot of skincare videos, so you will be notified. Click the bell button. You will be notified about the future uploads that I have. I'm obsessed with skincare, especially microneedling, dermarolling, and in other ways damaging your skin to make better. Sometimes you need to go through breakdown to get to breakthrough. Make sense? With the skin is the same. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you. Bye. See you in my next video. Bye. Leave questions down below in the comment section. If you don't understand something, I will be happy to answer to you.